Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. And OnePlus just launched the all new OnePlus 15R and I got my hands on it. So in this video, I'm going to unbox it and share my first impression with you guys. But before starting the video, I guess you guys have already noticed that my voice is not sounding proper because I'm going through a vocal cord injury and it will take some time to heal. But the show must go on. So please bear with my voice for this video and I'm so sorry. Now let's unbox this because I'm excited. Okay, so here is the box of the OnePlus 15R. Let's unbox this together. I love this design. Yeah, it looks so cool. Okay, so the first thing we have here is the box with never settle on it. Let's open it up and let's see what we have. Okay, so here we have some quick guides. Then we have our case. Well, you already know the color of the device, I guess. Then we have the device itself. Oh, not revealing anything about the design. Okay. Then underneath we have the charger. It's a 80-watt charger. Great. The famous red cables of OnePlus and a SIM ejector tool. Now let's unwrap this. So here is OnePlus 15R for you. Do one thing, let me know in the comments, did you like this color or not? Okay, so now let's talk about the build quality and the specs of the OnePlus 15R. Design and build quality. The moment you pick up the OnePlus 15R, the in-hand feel is awesome. It feels solid, well balanced and not at all top heavy. The phone sits comfortably in hand and feels confident to use. The design looks modern and refined. The back panel has a premium finish that catches light subtly without being flashy. And the frame feels sturdy with nice tactile buttons. Overall, it feels very well put together. Also, on the other side, we now have a plus key instead of the alert slider. Well, we will talk about that in detailed review, but I'm gonna miss the alert slider for sure. The display is an instant highlight. It's a 6.83 inches 1.5K panel with 165Hz refresh rate, and the smoothness is immediately noticeable. Scrolling, animations, the app switch, everything feels extremely fluid. While colors look vibrant and the brightness is very solid for everyday use. Powering the OnePlus 15R is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 and performance feels fast and stable. Right from the start, multitasking is effortless and nothing feels sluggish. The phone packs a massive 7400 mAh battery. On the camera side, now we have only two cameras and the telephoto is not here, which includes a 50 megapixel main camera with an 8 megapixel ultra wide. In the front, we have a 32 megapixel selfie camera. While I have not done any test yet, but what I really excited to test is the 4K 120 video recording, which could be a big win for creators. Overall, from the first look, the OnePlus 15R feels focused on raw performance, smooth visuals, strong durability, long battery life and serious video potential. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys have any question regarding the OnePlus 15R, do let me know in the comment section down below. I will post the review video of the OnePlus 15R shortly and I will answer all of your questions in that video. And to watch that video first, hit the subscribe, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe. The normal things every YouTuber asks you to do. So that's for today's video. See you guys in the next one, and I hope by then my voice will recover. See you in the next one.